sure all the hair stays wrapped around nice and tight, and I'm going to roll it back. I love my fringe going back on itself. I have a little helper. Thank you so much for helping Mum. Now, Auntie Jazz stole all Mama's pin curls, didn't she, baby? So, I'm not going to do too many pin curls, more so because I'm running low on grips. So, I'm going to put the pin curls in the bits that I mainly want to stay bouncy, and the back I'm going to do an Naomi bun. So, with my pins, I have two things underneath from there, wrap round, holding my pin, wrap round, holding my pin, wrap round. So I'll push my fingers really tight against my scalp, and I'll make sure that my pin curl is really tight, because I'm going to sleep in it. I always lift my pins up as I do it, because it gives me more volume. Now, personally, I prefer pins to rollers, just because I hate taking rollers out. So, two fingers underneath from there, wrap, wrap, wrap. There we go. I literally have just done my pins, took them all out so I can show you again, and I got the cutest video of Sullivan helping me do my pin curls. But I started again, so that video was just for me, those guys. There we go. And then I make sure that I push them really tight and I lift them up to give them more volume. Pins nice and tight, pushed against your scalp. There we go. So